Let's see how you can connect the accounts from the data sources you have selected to send to Google BigQuery. Here we are in our dashboard, and these are the three data sources we have selected: Meta Ads, Google Analytics, and Google Ads. We're going to run the process of connecting the accounts for Meta Ads and Google Analytics. Don't worry, the process will be the same for any other data source that you have selected. Let's start. We're going to click on Connect Accounts. Portal will load a little bit and then redirect you to Facebook to log in. You introduce your email and your password. Then you click on Login. Then you click on I'm not a robot. Then you will land to this page. Here you have to click on Continue as Santiago Cardoso in my case. You will see your profile name there. Then you will be asked which pages you want to connect to Porter metrics. You can either select Activate only the current ones, you can select them all or only one, or you can also select Activate all current and future pages. We recommend you choose this one because whenever you manage a new page, then you won't have to get back to this setup. In this case, we're going to select just one. Then we click on Continue. Afterwards, you're going to see all the Meta Ads accounts associated to your profile. You can either activate all current and future pages or only the current pages. In this case, I'm going to activate all current and future pages. Then you will land this page and you click on Save. You will click on Accept. Then you will go back to Porter and you will see the email associated to the profile you just have connected. Then you click on Next. Now inside Porter, you will see the Meta Ad account that you just have connected. In my case, since I connected all the pages, I see all of them. I can pick one of them and then I will see it reflected in the right panel inside this green rectangle. Then I click Save. Now let's do it with Google Analytics. We click on Connect Accounts. You select your email. You click on Continue. You click on Select All. You click on Continue. And now you will see your Google Analytics account. You click on Next. And now inside Porter, you will see all the Google Analytics accounts you have associated to your email. You select one and then click on Save. And that's how you can authorize and connect the accounts from the data sources you selected to go inside Google BigQuery.